I'm Gary from Gary Marsh Quality Decorators, and I'm based in Sunderland, Tyne and Wear, and I'm the newest member of the review team for Trade Decorator TV. A little bit about myself: I've been in the trade now for 33 years, 24 years self-employed. When I started back in 1987, it was the old CITB YTS scheme. Some of you might recall that, where you got your city and guilds over 4 years, I think it was back then. And I went from the advanced craft for a year, so it was like 5 years being an apprentice. And I worked till I was 25 for the local firm, just only worked for one employer, and went self-employed then, and I've never looked back. We're basically a small company, one employee, but over the years I've had up to 3 employees. It just depends on the workload really. I'm a member of GLUC Select, the Painter Decorator Association, and also Trade and Standards approved. We mainly do domestic work. I like to specialise in paper hanging. I love paper hanging, always have done. I've got a real passion for painting and decorating. I love everything about it, and I'm looking forward to trying out these new products out to help me and hopefully help you do a better job. So I look forward to seeing you all soon. Cheers, bye.